Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I'm busy.
Hey, it's Charlie Bar Beauty. I'm here today with a new video. Just tune in. Today is Thursday, so one more day to be Friday. But tune in. We're gonna do a video real quick, and we're gonna vibe out to some music. Okay. Okay. I'm going on with Morphe setting powder in the shade Banana Rich to set my brows before I go in with my liner. Okay, now I'm going in with the Juvias Place lip pencil in the shade Brownie. My Maybelline eyebrow pencil, it's not giving. It's not giving no more pencil after my first try. So I don't know what that's about, but it was not $11 worth for one use, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and try the NYX pencil next because I see that that pencil does not fail Lachey Glams. So we're gonna give that one a try. Okay, I'm going in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Wear Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Olive. And I'm gonna clean up my brows, my bottom brows with this. Here we go. I cleaned up the brow and I hurried up and smoothed out that line because like I said, e.l.f. concealer don't play, okay? It dries all the way down. I'm gonna go ahead and give Tarte Shape Concealer a try to see if I like that concealer over e.l.f. Okay, I blended that out. Now I'm going in with some more e.l.f. Deep Olive Concealer over my eyelids to create the base for my eyeshadow. Okay, y'all, we're gonna blend this out. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. It does not need to dry down too much for tackiness, because when it dries, so. Okay, so we're going in with the Juvias Place Culture 2 palette for our eyeshadow colors today. Okay, so that's Delta Blue, and then the green is Waroba. We blend that out, and then we go on with Queen Vibes, which is the Canary Yellow. And then to blend that Canary Yellow and that blue, I went in with a Cape Town Army Green. Let me know what you ladies think of the color combo. Okay, now we're cleaning up our eyeshadow with the Deep Olive e.l.f. Concealer. We're gonna blend that out and then go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. It's actually Pro Grip Primer. And lay down our foundation. Do not get this in your eyes, because, yeah, it burns. Nobody said that, but I guess nobody got it in their eye. Okay, I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 360 Mocha. I'm sorry, you guys. My ring light was doing its own thing at this point. It kept falling. So I'm a little bit more to the left than I would like to be. And my edit wouldn't allow me to pull it to the right without zooming in even more on my face. So bear with me. I'll adjust it here shortly. And this is the same e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Olive that I'm going in my T-zone area to highlight my face. Okay, so I went in right away this time and I set my concealer with the Morphe setting powder in the shade Banana Rich. And this is for all the areas I just highlighted my T-zone. Okay, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer and the shade Deep to contour my face. Okay, so I gotta admit, I love the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in the shade Deep over the Juvia's Place Palace bronzer in the shade Deep. Charlotte Tilbury gives more of a chocolatey bronze, and then Juvia's Place gives you more of a red bronze. And every time I go looking for tan in a Juvia's Place bronzer, they're all out. So I might have to order that one offline, but this is my favorite go-to bronzer. Is it drugstore? No, but give it a try. Okay, same pencil I use for my brows, I'm using for my lip liner, and this is the lip liner by Juvia's Place in the shade Brownie. To get my nude lip, I'm going in with that same e.l.f. concealer in the shade Deep Olive, okay? Okay, now we're going in with the NW45 MAC Studio Fix Foundation Powder. Okay, so this is the Culture 2 Juvia's Place palette. I went in with blue for Delta, Cape Town. It's an army green. Queen Vibes is actually a canary yellow. And then I did go on with Waroba, that lighter green, around the outer side of my eyeshadow to have a nice transition. Now I'm going in with the Morphe Setting Mist to set all that makeup in place. It's Charlie Mar Beauty, and I'm here with a new beat. I want you ladies to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think.